Hi, it's me. I'm organizing my office again. So I gave my friend a bunch of stuff that I had for sale in eBay years ago. And now I have some extra space. So I'm gonna put my machines I use up there. And then I have to fix my desk because I thought this would be a good idea to have a big open area on my desk. But come to find out, I just fill it up with stuff. So I have to fix that. My stencils got out of control. There's my coffee cup. Oh, I'm starting a new project with a bag, but I cannot start a new project with a bag in a mess. This over here, which was my last really big reorg, is working fabulously. So there's nothing wrong with that. I'm gonna make the world's biggest magazine collage with that, so that's good. This little card is actually from my bedroom. I don't know if it's gonna stay here or go back in there. And then whatever is going on over here is just not okay. So we're gonna work on that. And then this card is doing okay, and I feel like this card, except for the fact that I put those two magazine boxes on it, is actually doing really good. That's the scan and cut cart, but I couldn't use it right now because it has magazine boxes on it, so we need to fix that. So I'm going to kind of get a start, and I will stop periodically in the day and keep you updated. Okay, so we got my paper section done. Oh, I don't think anything happened down there yet. We've got part of the desk cleaned off. Ooh, this guy is excellent. I found two long metal trays that I'm going to put some stuff in. I cleaned off this big shelf, and I'm putting my kind of bags of stuff there. Those are my gelatos and my pens and pencils that are in buckets. This is looking a titch better. This is looking a lot better. I have 4 magazine containers available, and I have a bucket to donate things. So we're moving along. Just wanted to give you an update. That still looks, oh my, okay, be back. Oh my gosh, I know it doesn't look so great right now, but this whole bottom is cleaned up and organized. You saw the papers. There's the top with all my little like machine-y things. My brother Scan and Cut is sitting all by himself on his shelf again. Here is the top of my second desk with the things I'm actually working on. My work area. This area has been doing really well anyways. Still some empty magazine racks. I put the big boards over to the side, which is really good. I slid that over there. That's still a work in progress, but look, it's all clean. Yay me. Okay, so that is my cleaning and reorg. Hopefully you had fun with me. Tara Jacobsen, Artsy Fartsy Life.